We got nothing for me today, but we're gonna sample something. I don't have
maybe they look for the bone in there still, but I know every Jamaican chow bone, you know.
ratings now, ratings.
I will give them a
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica run me.
Back to the people them now. People. Sister people. Alright, we got food. A film spot.
Aquino people.
Are you here spot this? Alright, people, we are here in Daytona Beach right after the graduation, brief graduation. Guess what? You know, everywhere we go, you know, we always gotta find something to eat. Hold on there. Where we have to eat? We find one Jamaican spot anywhere we go. What is it called? Kultcha Shack. Kultcha Shack, Daytona Beach, baby. So we about to test out their food and see if the food is a Kultcha Shack. Right? The food have to be a Kultcha Shack, so let's go in, people. Hello, how you doing?
Yes, sir.
Is it a Kultcha Shack here?
Oh, yes.
Yes?
We sell jerk chicken, oxtail.
Here at Kultcha Shack. Tell me about the rest of them, Mom.
Oh, this is Kultcha Shack. We have the best jerk chicken, the best oxtail, the best curry chicken, the best curry goat, rice and peas. We have the best mac and cheese in the whole world. And we have fried plantain. We also sell drinks of your choice. So come on and support us.
All right, hold up. What's the most popular dish that you have here?
Oh, the most popular dish is the oxtail and the jerk chicken. I'm telling you, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So what dish you like? What's your favorite dish here?
Oxtail.
Oxtail.
Oxtail with ripe plantain.
All right. Okay, your tongue starting her now. People, this my sister, people. All right, the boss here. This my pops right here.
yeah.
Talk to the people then.
So right now I'm my first time here, you know, so I'm gonna check it out and see what it is. So we're gonna try the food, man, and see how good it is, and then we run it back.
All right. Let's see. We're gonna get the location. We're gonna let them know what's the location. All right.
This is oxtail. We cook fresh each day. And this is a jerk chicken. And this is the fried plantain. We have the fried plantain over here. We have the steamed veg here. We have the curry chicken here. And we have the curry goat here.
Wow. All right, people, you see what's going on. We in
Show them the rice and peas. And this is the rice and
rice and peas. All right, people, I see everything for you guys. But guess what? I see nothing for me, you know. Seafood only, you know. Do you have seafood?
with order.
With order.
You have to order.
All right. I'm only seafood, strictly seafood, you know. So what's on the menu as far as seafood?
We don't have any seafood for today.
Okay. We got nothing for me today, but we're gonna sample something. What you want? Jerk chicken? What you want?
This is our oxtail.
No, I'm not doing the oxtail.
Alright, you want the jerk chicken?
Yeah. What kind of drinks you have?
You can do
So you don't have no meat to order, you don't like...
No. Yeah, light.
And then we go to
The chicken, try no meat tonight.
Yeah. Try out the jerk chicken, you know?
Hold on for this, man. You gotta start now. Flip it up.
Yeah, man. Try out the jerk chicken, you know? So far, it look good, tastes good. Little cabbage and rice and peas. Yeah, man. Things are going, so you can come in and check it out. Right? All right.
Like I said, jerk chicken tastes like jerk chicken.
Yeah. Real thing.
Real thing, the boss said the real thing, people. All right, today they didn't have any seafood, people, available, so you know what, me get rice and peas and some vegetable. Cause you know I was vegan once upon a time, so rice and peas, vegetable and plantains. That's all you need. All right, people. Rice boss, you know. Rice boss. Let's bless the food. I think if the food for this food be the best here tomorrow by the Amen. What? What's up, daughter?
She a teacher.
Where?
She teach on high school Orange City.
Okay.
She teach finance.
Oh, she's smart.
That close to Daytona.
People.
Yeah. So come, maybe one quarter she will get to
People, you know I love rice. Rice is Shelly.
we cook
Partition right.
the best rice, basmati rice.
Basmati rice.
Best rice we cook, you know?
No restaurant now serving car. It's so expensive there.
Father said the jerk chicken, a jerk chicken. Y'all come check them out. Daytona. Came for a graduation. Pull up on some good food. You know, anywhere we go, me have to find good food.
Yeah, everybody come. And see me and her daughter.
You good? You hungry? All right.
See me and her daughter.
No, actually, again.
She's studying nurse.
Big up, over there? Batum?
She live in Florida. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, when I jerk
So we
chicken.
have no baby.
Jerk chicken.
Hello, my granddaughter. How are you today?
Yeah, and when I jerk chicken, I'm not really eating.
Ah, when are we?
And this.
Nothing me have the much of a everything in here.
If I even water.
Nothing me have this.
My plantain tastes good, man.
We have vitamin.
Mm-hmm.
Just a vibe, people. Just a vibe. All right. But clear up when I chicken already, so chicken have a good. Chicken good.
Yeah.
Bring it in. Real authentic Jamaican spot, people. The place look like Jamaica.
So we cook the best rice, basmati. And we cook our food fresh every day.
Food cook. It better be cooked every day.
We have to cook every day. We
Yeah.
have to make, we used to those things, you know.
That is right.
You know, some we have one singing, we have call it if you watch the play. What they call it?
Basmati rice, people. You know basmati rice is not cheap. They have basmati rice. Tastes good too. Nice. Remind me of my auntie cooking. Nobody cook better than my auntie.
Machine can't wash clothes here. Can't wash plate. He said, me wash my plate with my hand.
You wash the plate with your hand, machine can't wash the plate.
No, he can't wash plate.
All right. Got you.
Me a Jamaica, me wash them with me and me cover here. Say, me tell me that I say, take out you. So put on something if you carry in. On the bill. Put on jerk chicken lunch. What side do you want carry in?
You have mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Well, give me a side of mac and cheese. I'm the mac and cheese boss. I didn't know they had mac and cheese. I'm here the mac and cheese. Now we gotta bring you in. We gotta bring y'all in.
I say, I will treat people.
Make sure you see the mac and cheese. So I go on. How we look?
Oh, Lord.
Mac and cheese specialist, you
Yes,
know.
familiar, man. I
Alright.
want Rasta live a blame mother, they ain't losing girlfriend. That's for me husband, family.
Alright. Let's see what the mac and cheese taste.
Me
a mac and cheese boss, you know.
Rasta, why name again? He live down a blend in the south. Please, what the Rasta name again when they the husband?
Ooh, hot man.
Rasta name again.
Come on. Mac and cheese can go on.
Girlfriend name Tati.
People, no lie. I'm gonna be honest with you.
His girlfriend dead.
Jamaican are usually
Taddy.
have good mac and cheese. This is good. This is delicious. Me and my pops, he already know them. Jamaica is very small.
Can't be said yesterday.
Yeah, man, there's a dead man.
The mac and cheese is busting. Yeah. The mac and cheese bad. Yeah.
Like my sister.
There's a nice girl, make us say there's a nice
Yeah,
girl.
me live in the same house, everything.
And her fa. I hope I wear the her fa come for to fam.
Kitchen.
One girl named her fa. She got 7 years.
Lando.
She short and broad.
See, but the boss said the food done, you know.
Yeah, see the plate empty, everything gone.
That speak for itself.
Yeah, to the bone.
Speak for itself, people.
Yeah, you know how it go.
I don't have
Maybe they look funny, say the bone in there still, but I know every Jamaican chow bone, you know.
ratings now, ratings.
I will give them a 10 out of 10 still.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 is very hard, you know.
Especially for the jerk chicken. 10 out of 10.
All right, people.
It's a package. Everything good.
All right.
I'm out.
10 out of 10, people. The boss said 10 out of 10. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you're in the Daytona area, come check them out. Mac and cheese is busting. Rice and peas is busting. I'm not gonna say 10 no, but I'm gonna give him about an 8. 8.5. Food is very good. But you know why me vex? You know why me vex? Then I have my fish, but she said fish is coming later, but I'm not willing to wait.
All right, everything come to $62.22.
All right. I'm not willing to wait, but 8.5 is good. It would have been a 10 out of 10 if the fish was here.
I don't have any fish.
So the fish is coming. They're busy like that, people. They're very busy. So, they know we go already. But come check them out, you in the Daytona area. What's the name of the restaurant again?
Kultcha Shack.
Kultcha Shack. It definitely was a Kultcha Shack. Big up Kultcha Shack. I love the place. I love the environment. I love the aesthetics. Sea Breeze Boulevard. 322 Sea Breeze Boulevard. Right across from Waffle House. Come check them out, people. This is the place to be. How much Jamaican restaurant up here? Not much, I'm sure.
Not on the beach side much.
It's on the beach side. This is competing with the big dog on Fort Lauderdale. You know, Fort Lauderdale is Jamaica, and this is competing. This is definitely up there. If me give you an 8.5, you know, me don't really give over 7.8, you know. They have an 8.5. Imagine if they don't have the fish. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. My father said 10 out of 10. You know. Maybe if we eat chicken, mother said 10 out of 10. But it's a beautiful place. Come check them out. I love it, people. All right, people. Kultcha Shack, Daytona, Florida.
As I'm editing this video, I'm realizing I keep saying Shack. I really thought it was Shack. It was actually Shack. Kultcha Shack is bothering me, so I gotta let y'all know I can read.
I gave him an 8.5 because they didn't have my fish. But you know what? Overall, everything I thought about, everything I ate was a 10. The macaroni and cheese was a 10. The rice was a 10. Even the cabbage. Most Jamaican restaurants, the cabbage bland, you know. Everything was a 10. My father said the chicken was a 10 out of 10. So we're just going to give him a 10. If you're in the Daytona area, people, make sure you come check them out. Kultcha Shack. It will be a Kultcha Shack. What you say, Kultcha Shack?
Kultcha Shack.
Kultcha Shack? Yeah. Baby say Kultcha Shack. Make sure you come check them out, people. Daytona, Florida. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share, man. It's your boy Lando, and I am the man, though. I'm out.
Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessing over